What are you doing here?
It's my apartment.
Sorry, I meant you said you wouldn't be back till morning.
It is morning.
I know, I mean, I thought you were spending the night.
I did. And now it's morning.
Right. You're just back earlier than I expected.
It was such a nice morning, I decided to take a walk.
You walked from Park Slope?
From Chelsea. What's all this?
Oh. You didn't stay at Pat's?
No. Did you find a new roommate when I wasn't here?
What do you mean? I had a massage.
Last night.
Yeah.
Any good?
Not bad.
I thought you were going to the game.
After the game. You want coffee?
Sure. 2 cups.
I'm having one too.
But you already had one. What happened there?
I may owe you a new rug. Well, not a new rug. It may just need a cleaning.
Massage oil. When did you say you had this massage? Does he massage the players too? Or is he one of the players?
He's a teacher.
Oh, good. Not just a football fan. Does massage. Good with his hands. I bet he reads Byron.